How to change Discord profile picture or how to set a new profile picture on your Discord. So if you just created your Discord account and I want to change the default profile picture, you want to set your new profile picture for the first time, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So for the end of this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change your profile picture on Discord, you just need to go ahead and open the Discord app on your phone. So this could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. So just go ahead, open the Discord application. After that, go ahead and click on the U button at the bottom right. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to your Discord profile page, or the profile page. You're gonna see the Discord profile, which is this. Now to change the profile picture, just go ahead and click on edit profile. Then here you can change your banner, you can change your profile picture. To change your profile picture, click on this edit pencil on the profile picture. Then you should see what that says upload image, get animated avatar, or change decoration. So in this case, I want to upload a new image. Just go ahead and click on upload a new image. Then allow Discord to access music and audio on this device. Just click on allow. If you want to allow Discord to access your photos and videos, just click on allow all. Then hang on, shows where the photo is located. In this case, I'm going to select my phone gallery. Then once you selected that, select the photo you want to set as your Discord profile picture. So let's say this, select it. Then drag this to the approximate location you want to show on the profile picture. Then you can see scale. You can also change the profile picture. If you don't want to use that, go ahead, select a new profile picture from your photos gallery or photo album, like this. Then click on check. Then you should see your profile picture uploaded, and after that, go ahead and click on save at the top right. Now once you hit the save button, hang on while your profile picture is changed. You see that? So that is basically how to change Discord profile picture. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.